Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pam-ZGYQLXZS, and in today's video I want to share my reviews and thoughts and a little bit of tutorial as well. So this is all about this new brand that is Joah Beauty. This is the primer and the mascara, so I'll be trying this and let's check out how to use it. So this is something new. I never tried a primer for eyelashes. It's always on face. So have you tried anything like this, a primer on your eyelashes? Let me know in the comment section below which is the brand. Also let me know. So this is from Joah Beauty. Joah Beauty is a Korean brand and it's all about cruelty free. So they have amazing affordable range. I just checked out their website. It's just like an $8, $9. Even this primer and the mascara comes only for $9 each. So I'm sure you're going to love it, and I tried it yesterday, so I just thought of doing I didn't film it yesterday, but I'm filming it right now just for my YouTube channel. So I hope you guys like this video and my review. Please don't forget to hit that like button, and also if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. It will really help my channel grow and motivate me to make more such videos. So let's get started. Okay, so I have this primer and the mascara. So as I told you, these are cruelty free, phthalates free and paraben free products. So it comes in this kind of individual packaging. So I have two primers. So this I will be gifting it to my friend. So she wanted to try this. So this is the primer. So I just told, like, give it to me to show it to my subscribers. So it comes in same kind of packaging, even the mascara. So primer, let's start with the primer. This is Joah Beauty's Lash UPrising Primer. So it's called Lash UPrising Primer, and I tried it. It is completely white in color, and the wand, it's just like hourglass. So it's kind of hourglass wand and it's complete white primer. So when you apply it on your eyelashes also turns into white. So it's a little weird, but you don't need to get afraid or get scared at all. It will take at least a minute to dry down, but once it dry down, it's just like a conditioner to your eyelashes, like the way you apply conditioner after shampoo to your hairs, and then you can see the volume and the shine on your hair. Same way the mascara, when you apply this primer before the applying mascara, it will give you that stiff effect plus that volume and the lengthening. So I tried it yesterday, so I applied it, and after that it took a minute, like 1 minute to dry. Then I applied the mascara. I could see, and the mascara is buildable. So I just applied one coat. I waited. When I applied the second coat again, it gave that fake eyelashes effect. It's exactly just like a fake eyelashes effect. So I am so amazed, and I really loved the duo, the primer and the mascara. So this primer is infused with vitamin E, biotin as well as olive oil. So it just plays like a conditioner to your eyelashes. So these eyelashes, it turns white in color and it just goes dark, and as I showed you, it's just like an hourglass. After that I applied the mascara. I really like the packaging. This is the Joah Beauty's Lash UPrising Mascara. This is this is also hourglass wand. Both the wands are same, and this is washable, guys. So this is not like long lasting, like if you cry, it's definitely going to come out. So it easily came out even in water. It's plain water. I didn't need any kind of makeup remover or any cleanser, just plain water, and it easily came out, even the primer, even the mascara. So I like mascara using the washable ones. So, and even if you use makeup remover or any sponge or cleanser, your eyelashes tend to break sometime, and then it takes time to relax. But once I wash this, not even a single eyelash of mine was broken. So that's just because of the primer. So I would definitely recommend give this a try, and this is also just for $9. And this also mascara comes in a travel size package, which is just for $6. So if you are going to college, this is pocket friendly, so this is, you can easily keep it in your bag, and $6 is very travel friendly, guys, isn't it? So this is jet black, and it, I mean, does not dry quickly. It also takes time, so you can give it like 1 minute, and once it dry you can apply a second coat, and again it gives you that volume on your, you know, the eyelashes, and it's buildable. It gives that volume, it gives that curl, that lengthening effect. It's just perfect. So after applying mascara, this is very light on my eyelashes, so I didn't feel any kind of heavy. I didn't feel that my eyelashes are heavy. It was very light. I could blink very nicely, and it was really nicely, you know, gliding on my eyelashes, just like a fake eyelashes effect. So these are also free from parabens, phthalates. It's cruelty free, and these mascara and the primer are designed in United States, but it is made in Korea. So I will be sharing both the links in my description box below of their website. You can check it from there. It's just for $9. And if in case you have you tried this before, also let me know in the comment section below. So I hope you guys like this review, and let me know in the comment section how did you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is just chill with Pam. I have created some fun reels there. I hope you guys enjoy those reels and share me your feedback. It will really mean the world to me, and maybe I can get some more ideas from you guys. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.